Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to delete contacts from Facebook Messenger. So, to do this, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, after that, guys, you could just simply go to the person that you want to delete. And now, from here, this is our conversation. To do this, tap on their profile at the top. And from here, you will have an option profile, the Facebook icon on the right side at the top. Now, from here, just simply tap on friends over here. And you will have an option down below, unfriend. So from here, they should be able to be removed into your messenger once you have a tap on confirm. And from here, this pop-up is just showing you that if you are sure that you are going to take this action, tap on confirm. And after that, when you go back to your messenger or restart the messenger app, you will not be able to see them anymore. But however, if you still see them, you can just simply tap on it and tap on delete over here, and you should be able to delete the chat history to completely remove them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.